Good morning students. Today we are going to take one more problem of single entry system. In the previous problem what we have seen is that we have already given the opening balance and the closing balance. So we were not able to prepare the statement of affairs. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare the statement of affairs. Okay, now here's the problem. See, Arjun keeps his books under single entry system. His assets and liabilities were as follows. Okay, so here the assets and liabilities. So here they have given 2 years. So you can see here there is 31st March 2017 and here there is 31st March 2018. Okay, so this is the problem where they have given all the assets and liabilities. So based on this information what is provided, we are going to prepare the statement of affairs. Now in statement of affairs we are going to prepare the opening balance and the closing balance. Okay, so opening balance कौन सा है और closing balance कौन सा है we will see. Okay, so first what is given, cash 1500, 1000, sundry debtors 30,000, 46,000, stock 35,000, 31,000, plant and machinery 61,000, 75,000, sundry creditors 15,000, 13,500, bills payable 4,000. Okay, so these are the details which are given. Now here see, during the year 2017-18 he introduced rupees 50,000 as additional capital. Okay, so in the year they have introduced additional capital of rupees 15,000 and he withdraw rupees 2,500 every month for private use. So 2,500 he withdraws every month. So we need to find out for full year also. Okay, so ऐसे भी देते हैं, ऐसा इसका यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है आप लोगों को. You should be very careful while reading the sentence that 2,500 every month. So this sentence is very important. That is 2,500 is for 1 month. So we need to find it for 12 months. Ascertain his profit or loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now the year ends on 31st March 2018. So we are very clear that 31st March 2017 is for opening. Okay, this is the opening balances of assets and liabilities and this is the closing balances of assets and liabilities. Now we have to prepare statement of affairs to find out the opening balance and the closing balance. Now for the opening balance, the information which is provided, we are going to use this opening balance information, and for the closing balance we are going to use this information which is provided. So let's start. In the books of Arjun, statement of affairs as on 31st March 2017. This is your what? Opening balance. Okay. So here's the first thing is liabilities, amount rupees, assets, amount rupees. Okay. So this is the information which is required. Now first thing we are going to see the cash. कैश कहाँ पे आएगा? कैश इज द असेट ऑफ द कंपनी. सो कैश 1,500. नेक्स्ट इज सन्ड्री डेटर्स. इट इज ऑल्सो द असेट ऑफ द कंपनी 30,000. सन्ड्री डेटर्स 30,000. नेक्स्ट इज स्टॉक. स्टॉक कितना है? 35,000. सो स्टॉक 35,000. नेक्स्ट इज प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 61,000. It's the assets of the company. So plant and machinery 61,000. Last one is sundry creditors 15,000. So sundry creditors is the liability of the company. So sundry creditors 15,000. So now the next step is find the total of both the side. That is your debit side and the asset side and the liability side. So in liability side you have only 15,000. And on your asset side you have 1,500, 30,000, 35,000, 60,000. So total is how much? 1,27,500. That means your asset side is more than the liability side. So you have the capital, that is the balancing figure of rupees 1,12,500. That is 1,500 less 15,000. So we'll give you 1,12,500. ये हो गया आपका स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स एज ऑन 31st March 2017. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज you need to find out statement of affairs to find out the closing balance. Now for closing balance, the information which is there is this information which you are going to use. So statement of affairs as on 31st March 2018, liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. Okay, so first thing is what? Cash. So cash is the asset 1000, sundry debtors 46,000, sundry debtors 46,000. Then you have stock 31,000, stock 31,000, plant and machinery 75,000, plant and machinery 75,000. Sundry creditors, the liability is how much? 13,500. So sundry creditors 13,500. One more extra liability is there, that is bills payable 4,000. Bills payable 4,000. So यहाँ पे total कितना होता है? 1,000 plus 46,000, 31,000, 75,000. कितना आया? 1,53,000. And here ये हो गया अपना असेट, योर असेट साइड का टोटल. एंड योर लाइबिलिटी इज हाउ मच? 13,500 प्लस 4,000. सो यू हैव only 17,500. So your asset side is more than the liability side. So you have a capital, that is a balancing figure on the liability side of how much? 1,35,500. Total कितना है? 1,53,000, 1,53,000. So from 1,53,000, if you deduct 17,500, you will get 1,35,000. So now you have the opening balance and the closing balance. Your closing balance is 1,35,500 and your opening is 1,12,500. Now the next step is you require to prepare the statement of profit or loss for the year ending 31st March 2018. So for that the format is particulars, amount rupees, amount rupees. Okay, so starting में क्या है? Closing capital or capital at the end of the year, because first we take the closing capital and then we take, after the adjustment of closing capital is done, then we deduct the opening capital. So here closing capital कितना है हमारा? 1,35,500. 1,35,500. To that we are going to add the drawings. Now drawings is how much? 2,500 for 1 month. So we are going to multiply 2,500 multiply by 12 months will give us 30,000. So 1,35,500 plus 30,000 will give us 1,65,500. From that we are going to deduct the additional capital that was introduced during the year. So how much additional capital? This is 15,000 which was introduced. So 1,65,500 less 15,000 will give us 1,50,500. This is your adjusted closing capital. Once the adjusted closing capital is done, we are going to deduct the opening capital, that is capital at the beginning of the year. कितना है capital at the beginning of the year? 1,12,500. So 1,12,500. So when we know that our opening capital is less than the adjusted closing capital, it is the net profit for the year, and you have net profit of rupees 38,000 in this problem. So with this we complete the third problem of single entry system. Okay, in the next class we are going to take one more problem of single entry system.